If you're experiencing issues with a drive on your Windows PC, such as errors, corruption, or performance slowdowns, you can attempt to repair it using the command prompt without losing your data. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to do this. If possible, plug the problematic drive into another PC to ensure that your system is not the cause or to prevent conflicts with active processes. Sometimes, Windows may display a message saying you need to format the disk drive before you can use it. If this message appears, click Cancel to avoid formatting the drive, as formatting will erase your data. If the drive doesn't open, proceed with the next step. Another way to check for disk issues is by using Disk Management. Right-click on this PC and select Manage. In the Computer Management window, click on Disk Management under the Storage section. The list of drives connected to your system will be displayed, allowing you to see their status and partitions. Check the disk using the built-in error checking tool in File Explorer. Right-click on the problematic drive and select Properties. Go to the Tools tab. Click on the Error Checking section and select Check. If clicking Check shows the disk check could not be performed because Windows can't access the disk, follow the next step. If the drive is still not accessible, you can try uninstalling its driver. Click on Device Manager. Locate portable devices and expand it to see the list of devices. Right-click on the problematic drive and select Uninstall Device. Confirm the action. Locate disk drives and expand it to see the list of connected drives. Right-click on the problematic drive and select Uninstall Device. Confirm the action and restart your PC. Windows will automatically reinstall the driver. This step helps resolve driver-related issues that may be preventing the system from accessing the drive. To access the command prompt with elevated privileges, press Windows, type CMD, choose Run as Administrator. If prompted, click Yes to grant administrative permissions. Locate the drive you want to repair and note its drive letter, e.g., H. The check disk command checks and repairs disk errors. Here's how to run it. In the command prompt window, type the following command and press Enter. Replace H with the letter of the drive you want to repair. /F fixes errors on the disk. /R locates bad sectors and attempts to recover readable information. /X forces the drive to dismount before scanning. This is necessary if the drive is in use. The scan may take several minutes to hours, depending on the size and condition of the drive. Do not interrupt the process, as doing so may cause additional errors. While the scan completes, here are ways you can maintain your data and prevent data loss. Optional commands for advanced repairs. 1. sfc/scan now. This command scans and repairs corrupted system files, which is particularly useful for resolving issues on system drives like C. 2. dism/online/cleanup image/restore health. This command repairs the system image and the Windows component store, addressing deeper system-related issues that may affect drive functionality. These advanced commands ensure that your operating system and related components are in good health, preventing system-level corruption from affecting your drives. Precautions to avoid data loss. Backup important data. Always maintain a backup of critical files in case of unexpected failures. Use external drives, cloud storage, or backup software. Avoid interruptions. Ensure a stable power supply and do not shut down your PC or close the command prompt window while the scan or repair process is in progress. Taking these precautions minimizes the risk of data loss and enhances the chances of successful drive recovery. While the scan runs, it's a great time to consider how you can safeguard your data moving forward. Regular maintenance and proactive measures can save you from unexpected data loss. Here are some key practices. Keep your system updated. Operating system updates often include fixes for potential errors that can cause disk issues. Ensuring your system is up to date is a simple yet effective way to protect your data. Use reliable power sources. A sudden power loss can corrupt data, especially during active processes like a scan or write operation. Consider using an uninterruptible power supply to prevent such interruptions. Avoid overfilling drives. Keeping some free space on your drives ensures smooth functioning and reduces the chances of fragmentation, which can lead to errors over time. Once the scan is complete, you'll see a summary of errors found and actions taken. If errors were fixed, your drive should be back to normal operation. Repairing a drive using command prompt is a powerful and free method to resolve disk-related issues without losing data. By using the check disk command along with SFC and DISM for system files, you can maintain the health of your drives and operating system. For severe drive issues, however, it's advisable to use dedicated disk repair software or seek professional assistance to avoid data loss. Thank you for following along with this guide on repairing a drive without losing data using command prompt. By carefully following these steps and maintaining regular backups, you can safeguard your files and minimize future risks. Remember, data protection is an ongoing process, and taking small preventive measures today can save you from significant problems down the line. Until next time, take care of your data, and good luck with your recovery.